Right guys, welcome. I'm making a short video to tell you my story from yesterday. So I decided to go and buy myself a little budgie parrot. Parrot? I cannot pronounce it. Do not judge. And so this is her, and I've called her Luna because she is a little yellow budgie. And for those people who do not know how to tame their budgie, here's a trick that I read online and it actually works. So, there's a few pointers for you not to do if you had a bird. Number one, do not put your hand into the cage or try to hold it the first day. It'll run for dear life. Two, do not try to force it to like you. It'll not like you. It will dislike you. It'll hate you. It'll eat you. It'll run. It'll fly. It will jog as fast as lightning. Don't make sense. And three, don't fill up the food bowls with a lot of food. It'll not eat it. Instead, it'll dig its head into it and dig its little nails into it and make a mess. Don't do it. But here's what I did do. So basically, I read that if you hold the budgie into a towel and bring it into a secluded room and close the door, it's quicker to tame it. So I took the little budgie out, or Luna out, put her into a little hand towel. I brought her down to the bathroom because it's small and there's nowhere really to go. And there was enough space for her to fly around. So I closed the door and I spent an hour with her in the bathroom. Now, it took a while, but she actually started to get used to me more, even though I was kind of like pushing my hands to her all the time until she got used to it. But she flew around the room a little while and then she turned up on my head, on my shoulder, on my hand, and she was as tamed as anything. So the quickest way to tame a budgie is to be closed up in a room and her fly around for a while, and you just do whatever you can for her to get used to your hand for an hour or two, as much as you want. And now she actually has fed like a normal bird from her food and not make a mess. And I'm so happy because she was chirping all day. And that is how to tame a budgie. Bye.